Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the third and final video on the Prompt Builder Superbadge unit. Now, completion of this challenge, this third challenge, will see you complete the first Superbadge challenge in the Agent Innovator trailhead. So you should have completed challenges 1 and 2. I'll put links where I can in case you haven't, because you must have done challenges 1 and 2 before you come to this challenge. Now, we've done a lot of the work, so this video we only have to cover create a prompt template for an engagement email and then test it. So it should be a relatively short video this time. Okay, so you should be familiar now with going back to the setup and using the quick find box to find something, and in this case we want to type in there Einstein for sales. And the point of this is to enable sales emails, which we do with the toggle box that you can find on this screen. Now, I would always suggest that after you do that, you refresh the page before you then use the quick find box to get to the prompt builder, and we do that again by using that quick find box and typing prompt. Now, we need to create a new prompt template with the prompt template type this time set to sales email. So it's sales email. Now, as always in this course and the next videos that we do, you can get all of the content that you need from the actual use case. So here in red and here in the copy. So we're going to use this and copy and paste as required. So click next and then copy the text from the use case into the prompt template workspace. All of this you can do using the copy button here. Again, like in any other of the videos and challenges, you need to replace anything that's in a bracket like this with the correct resource using the resource finder. You've done that before, you should be familiar with this now. Save the template and we're ready to test. So take the name from the use case, here, Robinette Bullman, and place it in the recipient field and save and activate the template. Go back to the setup page and use the quick find box, and this time type Einstein for sales. And now we need to give permissions to use that sales email, so we need to click on the assign permissions set and find Einstein sales emails. Once you've done that, click on that and then assign permissions to your user that you should appear in the list as you go through the assignments, and you'll find it and then assign it to your permissions to your user. Now it says here that you then need to use the permission set Einstein sales email button to manage assignments and add another assignment, for this time Victoria Bryant. So click on next and assign, and in the Einstein sales email screen you should see assigned the permission for yourself and Victoria Bryant. Now finally, go back to the contacts object using the quick search box on that setup screen and open the record for Robinette Bullman. Scroll down until you see the email button and then click on that. An email template should then appear, and you can then use draft with Einstein and then select program recommendation email under custom. Now wait for the work to be completed and then click on done, and then finally click on send, and the challenge is complete. Now you should receive an email from that work that you've just done, so you can see the outcome of the work that you've just completed. But now, as a final step, you need to go back to Trailhead and click on the challenge just to confirm that everything has been completed okay. And once you've done that, you should see the badge be assigned to you. And that's the end of this super badge. So I hope you'll join me for the next series of videos, where I hopefully will help you through the Agentforce for Service super badge. And that's the second and final super badge in this Agentblazer Innovator trailhead. So hopefully I'll see you then.